Are you noticing unusual vibrations or noise from your wheels? It might be time to check your wheel bearings. By the end of this video, you'll know how to inspect and replace them. First, lift the bike and remove the wheel. Spin the wheel and listen for grinding noises indicating worn bearings. Remove the old bearings using a bearing puller. Press in new bearings, ensuring they are seated properly. Reattach the wheel and test for smooth rotation. Want to master more maintenance skills? Join our online motorcycle mechanics course today. With our 30-day satisfaction guarantee, you'll become a pro at keeping your bike in top condition. Ride smoothly and roll now.